So we're here today in LaSalle at the Freshwater Restoration Ecology Center, and behind me we have tanks full of redside dace, which are one of Canada's most endangered freshwater fishes. And the reason they have them here today is because we're working hard with graduate students and postdoctoral fellows to create a captive breeding program so that we can create populations to be reintroduced back into the wild in the next 5 to 7 years. And so this program's been going on for some time now with the goal of essentially restoring the biodiversity that we've lost over the last 3 or 4 decades in the Greater Toronto Area where this species exists. And this species is really interesting because during the summer, as its name suggests, it gets really bright red. It spawns in really small headwaters where they have really cold water, and they're a really good bioindicator because they essentially go away as soon as the water becomes dirty. So once it's turbid or it gets too warm, they sort of leave the area or they go extinct locally, and so they're a great bioindicator. So we're working hard to reintroduce the species back into the landscape, and by doing this, we hope to be a case study for other freshwater species of fish that we can reintroduce in the future as well. So we're really working hard in terms of the era of restoration to put the species back into its natural ecology.